Justice Mohammed Garba Umar of the Federal High Court in Abuja has shifted hearing in a N1.2bn civil rights suit instituted by a former presidential candidate, Omoyele Sowore, against the Inspector General of Police, IGP, and the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, till March 10, 2026. The judge on Wednesday fixed March 10, 2026 for definite hearing of the enforcement of fundamental rights suit as the IGP, Kayode Egbetokun, Nigeria Police Force, NPF, Commissioner of Police in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, and the AGF, who are first to fourth defendants, respectively, were absent in court. Apart from being absent, there was no legal representation and information on why they were not in court despite being served with hearing notice. The absence of all the defendants prompted Justice Umar to adjourn the matter to March 10, 2026, but with a warning that it would be for definite hearing on the date. The judge ordered that hearing notices must be served on the defendants so as not to give excuse for any further adjournment. Abubakar Marshall stood for Sowore during Wednesday's proceedings while the plaintiff, Sowore, was present in court with his retinue of followers. Sowore had in 2025 slammed a fundamental human rights suit against the defendants following his arrest and detention on October 23, 2025 over his participation in the #FreeNamdi-Kanu-Now protest. In the suit, Sowore claimed his arrest and detention over a peaceful protest constituted a blatant breach of his right to freedom of movement and dignity of human person. He also claimed that his arraignment on October 24, 2025 was illegal, unlawful and unconstitutional. He predicated his suit on Sections 35, 34, 37, 41 and 46 of the 1999 Constitution to establish the alleged breach of his fundamental rights. Among others, Sowore asked the court to declare his arrest and detention as illegal, unlawful and unconstitutional on the ground that he did not violate any order of court or run foul of any known law regarding lawful protest. He prayed the court to order the first to third defendants to pay him N200M as general damages for the illegal violations of his rights. Sowore applied for another order compelling the first to third defendants to pay him another N1.2bn as punitive and exemplary damages for his illegal, unlawful and unconstitutional arrest, detention and arraignment. In addition, the activist sought an order compelling the IGP, Nigeria Police Force, and the FCT Commissioner of Police to tender a public apology in at least 3 national newspapers for violating Sowore's rights. Besides, the activist asked the court to direct the Attorney General of the Federation to initiate disciplinary actions against the IGP and the FCT Police Commissioner under the Anti-Torture Act of 2017 and the Violence Against Persons, Prohibition, Act.